If you've searched Skinimalism skincare, you're probably done. Done with overwhelm, done with £300 hauls, and definitely done with 10-step routines that promise glow, but most definitely deliver stress. The beauty industry knows we're tired. So now they're selling us minimalism in a bottle. 3-step kits dressed like they're on a Scandinavian interior design Instagram, but at luxury prices. That's not minimalism. That's marketing in beige packaging. And if you've ever tried cutting back only to end up breaking out, drying out, or wondering why your face is suddenly angry, you're not alone. I'm Heather, a chemistry graduate turned finance director, and I expose beauty lies so you can stop wasting money and still get results. Today, we're breaking down what Skinimalism actually is, whether fewer products really work, and the sneaky tricks brands use to keep you overspending. By the end, you'll know exactly which steps matter, which ones don't, and how to save your skin and your wallet. Skinimalism isn't neglect, it's strategy. Your skin doesn't want 10 products. It wants the right 3. More products do not give more results. They give more irritation, more inflammation, and more money leaving your bank account with nothing to show for it. Let's look at the biggest problems. Layering actives that shouldn't be layered. People mix vitamin C, acids, and retinol because TikTok told them it was a powerful combo. It's not. It's a chemical WWE match. Acids dissolve lipids. Retinol speeds up cell turnover. Put them together and your skin barrier taps out immediately. Cue redness, stinging, peeling, and the sense that your face is betraying you, making ingredients cancel each other out. Here's a fun one. Retinol becomes unstable in acidic environments. So if you layer vitamin C under retinol, you've just paid 60 quid to deactivate your retinol. You've irritated your skin and your bank account, duplicating the same ingredient 5 times. Niacinamide is everywhere right now. In your toner, your serum, your moisturizer, your essence, your booster. You think that you're being diligent, but brands think that you're profitable. And guess what? Instead of calming redness, that triple or quadruple dose often makes it worse. Absorption overload. Your skin can only take in so much. After a certain point, the rest just sits there, mixing into the next product or clogging your pores. Brands know this. They just know confusion is profitable. So what actually works? The basics, the boring things, the things influencers don't talk about because they don't earn commission. The routine is literally one gentle cleanser. That's it. No morning cleanser, evening cleanser, micellar water, cleansing balm, cleansing gel trilogy. You don't need 3 products for one job. Treat. Pick one evidence-backed active based on your top concern. Retinoids at night for acne, wrinkles, texture. Vitamin C in the morning for brightness or pigmentation. Salicylic acid for breakouts. Benzoyl peroxide for acne, but no doubling up. Niacinamide for redness and oil balance, but just once. The rule: if it's in your moisturizer, you don't need another serum with it in. Duplication doesn't add results, it adds costs. Protect. SPF, every single day. SPF 30 or higher. Here's the irony. The industry sells anti-aging kits for 80 quid a bottle, but skips the one product that actually prevents aging. Why? Because sunscreen is cheap and it lasts ages. It doesn't fuel constant spending. Skinimalism is simple because science is simple. Let's build your real routine. First, pick the top priority. Not 5, not everything, 1. Then, 1 active for 30 days. That's it. If your priority is wrinkles or acne, retinoid at night, a pea-sized amount, because more isn't better. More is just inflammation with a price tag. If your priority is dull or uneven skin, vitamin C in the morning, just the 1 serum. You don't need a toner, an essence, a booster, and a brightening concentrate, all claiming the same thing. That's not science. That's a sales funnel. If you're breaking out, choose either salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide. Not both, not in every step. A £10 tube will outperform a £100 clarity kit every time. If you're red, reactive, or sensitive, skip the actives entirely. Just do a gentle cleanser, a plain moisturizer, and sunscreen, because your barrier needs peace, not punishment. If you're dry, use one hydrating booster like hyaluronic acid. Stacking 3 oils, 2 serums, and a balm doesn't give extra moisture, it just gives extra congestion.
Just got back from a little shopping trip. Let's do a boots haul. Everything in here is skincare because there's a lot that I want to try. I'm so excited for this. We have a little skincare haul. So let me show you what we've got. This is my haul for the Eleven. Does everything that I buy.
Yes, style haul, just under £500 worth of product. But there's interesting stuff, I promise.
I've repurchased some stuff off the internet because I like it so much, and I've also bought several new beauty products I want to show you. I did, in fact, spend over £300 in Space NK, so this is a big, large haul, and I'm so excited to just show you what I got.
People easily drop 500 quid on a single skincare haul, half of which sits untouched, oxidizes, or gets used once and then abandoned. A Skinimalism routine is 3 basics plus 1 active. You're looking at 60 to 100 quid total, and this should last you for months. You save money, your skin calms down, and your bathroom stops looking like a Sephora branch. If you want weekly deep dives into the beauty lies costing women billions, hit subscribe. And if you want to know exactly when to splurge and when to save, grab my free skincare routine guide below. Because when you cut out the noise and stick to what actually works, you win twice. Once with calmer, clearer skin, and again with an extra 50 to 150 quid a month left in your bank account. Or you can keep chasing the next trend. More irritation, more clutter, more money wasted on minimalist kits that cost you more for less. You deserve better and simpler. And if this has opened your eyes, watch this video next. It's the video that the brands do not want you to see. I'll see you over there.